picture.
Kim, you can actually mute him as the host.
He said, well, if you got a picture, I do. I said, if you got a picture of it, then I'll let it go.
It should no allow.
Okay, you all should be muted now. Can you hear me still?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. All right, you guys. Like I said, if you go ahead and look in your chat box, I put a link there that you can go ahead and sign in and put all your information in there. Like I said, the State Department has actually approved for you guys to get extra credit for KinderVision. So if you go ahead and fill that information out, we can get you a certificate once the class is completed. But I'm not sure if you guys are aware, I actually met with your assistant principal a couple of days ago, and she actually let us come in to actually introduce our program to you guys. And our program is actually called the Teen PSA program. And this program was founded through KinderVision. So before I get started, I would like to just briefly introduce myself and Ms. Williams. I have been in law enforcement for over 10 years now. I have almost 14 years of military experience as well. I've been in the Army for that entire time. I've also deployed to Iraq. I'm a mother, so I have 3 kids. So first of all, before I get started with that, I actually want to say thank you to you for all the teachers that we have here, all the staff. I appreciate you guys for, everything that you have been doing for our kids, because I know right now with COVID going on, it's a very challenging time. So for you guys to actually take the time out to meet with us, and like I said, for so many of you guys to be on here, that is completely awesome, and I salute you guys today for doing that. And like I said, this will just be some more resources that you can use to actually help your students. These are free resources. So what it is that KinderVision started over 30 years ago. It actually started because a little girl was abducted in California from her front yard. So with that being said, KinderVision jumped off in order to start just basically helping the community and our teens with just different victimization, different things that they may be facing as youth. So with that being said, let's see, hold on, we got some more people trying to join. Sorry about that. And for the people that just came on, if you go ahead and look in your chat box, I put a link there that you can go ahead and put your information in, so that way you can get credit for this class. I'm going to resend this one. Just hold on 1 second.
Hey, Kim, you go ahead and I will manage your chat box for you.
Thank you. All right, you guys. So this should only take about 20 minutes. It's a few videos in here, and I'm going to talk through the slides as we go. All right. So with that being said, we've got some exciting resources that we have this year with KinderVision to go over with you guys today. Let's see. All right. So with the goal of the Teen PSA program, our goal is basically to show as many PSAs to our teens, because like I said, we have some great resources. And with that being said, basically our program, it shows 30-second PSAs, which are basically created from our teens, from our youth. So it's not as if it's a teacher, a counselor, or one of us actually creating these. These are actually resources that they are creating in order to share amongst themselves. So that's the great part about this program. And I'm going to show you a quick video, which is actually a program overview, which will actually kind of just show you everything that I'm saying. Just give me 1 second to play it. All right. As you guys can see, we have a lot of new resources. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to start talking about how you actually can access these resources. So as you see here, what you'll do is go to the teampsa.org website. And once we get finished, you'll receive the links and everything that you need through email. So don't worry about that. But what you'll do is go to the teampsa.org. And then here, this is the main screen that will pull up. And here we have all of our 20 finalists listed here. And we have their created over the past. And our national winner was Staten Island there in New York, and they actually won. They were the 2020 national finalists. So after you access that, like I said, you can see those videos just to give you an overview as well. So next, what you'll do is to get to our archives with all of our different resources there. You'll go to the best of the best resources. And once you click on there, you'll see a drop down and you'll click the state of Alabama. And you can also stroll through the different states as well, but we have it actually tailored to Alabama as well. Once you get to that particular part on the website, it is password restricted. So what that means is that you'll receive a special code, and we actually have already shared that with your assistant principal, but like I said, we'll send out another email as well. But the important thing about that being restricted, we ask that you guys do not give this password out to the students or to their parents. This is basically just for faculty and staff to have, or whoever is going to be the main person that's over creating the PSAs, whether that be your counselor, guidance counselor, whomever, they will be over that. So the important part about with creating PSAs is that you have to have an adult over this program. We can't just have our students just creating anything. And we keep it that way so that way, an adult will be over it and make sure that they're actually just not putting out anything in their PSAs, that there's no profanity, they're not wearing inappropriate clothes, or not speaking of anything that's just inappropriate. As you can see here, once you enter that password, you'll get to basically our landing site. Here at the very beginning, at the top where you see the Team PSA intro, that's the video that I just showed you guys. Also, you have your 2020 National Best of the Best PSAs listed. You have the Best of the Best Team PSA resources, your student voting. You also have resources for creating PSAs and also using the PSAs. So I'm not exactly sure which way are y'all more so leaning, but you have resources available in order to do both. You don't necessarily have to create them, but the important part about it is to actually just use them to show our teams these PSAs. So like I said, it's located in one area now, so it's very easy to navigate. All you have to do is click on that particular topic and it'll show you. So as we keep going through this slide, what you'll see is, like I said, for the 2020 Best of the Best PSAs, we have over 80 different topics just in this particular portion alone. And with these PSAs, the PSAs are actually just basically topics that our teams are facing today. We have one that's new this year about vaping, because kids are thinking that with vaping that they won't be affected by it, and it's so many different things out there that they don't know. They're just doing it because they're following, the crowd. You also have stuff on here about cyberbullying, which is a good topic to go over right now as far as cyberbullying and online safety, because we're more so focused on that now, because that's the way that we're teaching. You guys are teaching now is through online stuff. We actually have different topics on here about substance abuse. And as you guys, I'm not sure if you're aware, but this month we actually have Red Ribbon Week coming up. September, I think, is Suicide Prevention Month. This month is Bullying Month. So these are different PSAs that you can actually cover with your teams, whether you're doing it live in class or you're doing it through Zoom. And you don't have to actually, work too hard to get it created, because we actually have it already created for you. So as you get ready to use this program, all you have to do is let us know. We have pre-recording PSAs that you guys can actually show your classes so that they can vote on this, on the different topics. And basically with the topics, like you see here, for the best of the best, you have over 100 topics alone just on that. And before we have our date rate. This is another topic that we have. Give me 1 second. Let me add these other people into the call. And like I said, as you see here, you have date rate. With date rate alone, we have several topics, several PSAs listed under date rate alone. And as you get into the links, you'll see at the very top, and it'll give you the actual amount of PSAs that you have per topic that you can filter through. But I'm going to go ahead and show you an actual video of a PSA focusing on date rate, just to give you an idea of what the PSAs are about.